Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing an unboxing of some new stuffs I got from Aliexpress. So let's begin. So I'll be opening these on the floor because they are large containers and I'd like a camera to capture them fully. So I got this no lint nail wipe. I got about 6 packs and I think there are like 100 pieces of the no lint wipe in each of the pack, or 50 pieces. I got this much because it's 100, it contains 100. I got this much because I know that it will take a long time before I make an order for this again, and I want it to last me for a long time. I prefer buying most of my things from Aliexpress because they're cheaper and I always like to buy in large quantities. So I said there are 6 packs, so this is the 6th pack of the no lint wipe. Let me put this thing down so I can show you what they really look like up close. So this is what they look like. I don't know why I did not think of taking one out to show you guys, but I took it out at my nail salon. It's so thick, very nice, and it wipes so easily. So that's that. Let's continue with the unboxing. So I'm going to bring the next thing out, and I discovered I ordered for another no lint wipe. This is it. At the time I was ordering for this, I didn't remember that I had 2 of it in my cart, and I ended up buying the same thing. They are not the same thing. This one in the box is a very light version of the no lint wipe. The other one is thick, while this one is very light. So I got this. This is 1,000 pieces of the pack of the no lint wipe. So I'll be using this for a very long time as well. I like that this came in the pack. So I think that was what attracted me to buy in the first place. I wanted the one that was in the pack and I got it. So I'm going to be replacing it as long as it's finished. Anyone I buy, I'll be buying them in a sachet so I can put in this pack. So now I have this large quantity of no lint wipe. I usually don't use it alone. I also use cotton wool, so I know this is going to last me for a while. So I saw nail drill bit pack where you can actually arrange your nail drill bits and put them in a case. I saw it and I decided to buy it. Honestly, I don't know why, but because I have some nail drill bits that I've not been using in one, I don't want them to get lost. So I decided to buy this pack so I can arrange them and put them in this case, and also I can sterilize them and keep them clean in this pack. And I think it can take about 20 pieces of nail drill bits. I know it's going to be useful for me to keep my extra nail drill bits. So that's that. Let's continue with the unboxing. I don't know if it's just me or if it happens to every other person. I love shopping for nail products. So I got some drill bits as well, nail drill bits. I got one for the cuticle area and I got one to file my acrylics. So I'm going to be showing you. So this is the one I got for the cuticle area. It's very tiny and I think it's going to be very sharp. Looking at it already, I'm a little bit scared of using it on anybody so it doesn't puncture anybody's skin. And this is the one I got to file my acrylics. So this is my first time of buying this color. I don't know what they call it. I just saw it and I decided to buy it. So I'm going to be doing the review of this particular one later in this video. So watch out for it. So this is what they look like. I don't know how many people keep that particular case. My children end up playing with them. So the next thing I'm going to be bringing out is this little nail lamp. Now I've seen so many YouTubers using it when they are doing their the lazy girl method. So I'm looking for a way to get this for a while. So now I've gotten it. and I can't wait to use it in my nail tutorial videos. This is so nice. This is a 6 watt LED lamp that comes with a cord, a USB cord, so you can just use a phone charger to connect it to the electricity supply and you are good to go. Then there's also the manual that comes with it as well. That's all for this UV lamp.
Let's open this big pack to see what's inside the big pack. I remember I ordered for a UV lamp and an electric nail drill, so I believe they're inside this big pack. So I think they packed them together in this big nylon bag because they want it protected. If they packed in their individual boxes, it might not, they might, kind of tear before they get here. China to Nigeria is a very long distance. So I can see the protective, I don't know what they call this thing. It's like a bubble bag, but it's a bigger one. I can see it already inside. So I think I'm right. They packed it to protect them. So we bring everything out one by one.
I think this is electric nail drill. Yes, I'm right. So this is electric nail drill. I'll be bringing them out one by one with whatever that comes with it. I can see the purple hand drill stand. Okay, so this is a foot pedal that came with the electric drill. It always comes with the electric drill, but I have never, okay, I think I've used them once. I rarely use it. And that's a purple stand. Then the hand file. This is what you attach to the machine. So this is the hand file. Let me bring the machine out itself. This machine is so light. I hope it works properly. This is the lightest electric drill machine I've ever bought. Wow. Why is it this light? God, I hope I've not been scammed. This electric drill machine is very nail drill machine is very light. This is not the first time I'll be buying from Aliexpress, but this is the lightest I've bought. I don't know, maybe it's a new innovation. Maybe I should just plug it and see if it's going to work first before I know what to say. I'll be showing you where to plug the foot pedal. This is where you plug it. After plugging it, you're going to use this switch. If you're going to be using your hand, it's going to be on this side. Then if you're going to be using the foot, it's going to be on the foot side. So, but most times, it's always on the hand side because I use the hand most times. This button, I believe, is for those people that are either left-handed or right-handed. But I'm right-handed, so it's always on the forward side. So that's that. This thing does not seem strong to me. I don't think I'll ever be buying this electric drill from this particular company again, because this electric nail drill looks like a substandard product. So let's see. This is the instruction manual. So an instruction manual came with this particular electric drill and the holder for the pen, the electric drill nail pen, and also some nail drill bits. It comes with most of the electric nail drill you buy. These are just the basic ones you need. You need to buy the main one you use to file your acrylics. Now let's bring the UV lamp out. I actually have like a lot of UV lamps, but I always like to have an extra one in case something goes wrong. So I decided to make an order for this one. So this is the one I got. I can't remember how many watts this is. I saw it and I think it's about 96 or 92 watts, and I decided to buy it. So it is detachable. I'm going to be leaving the link to the store in my description box. Please do not buy the electric drill machine from this particular store. You can buy every other thing I'm showing you here, because I bought every other thing from the same, I bought everything here from the same seller. So it came with the cord for plugging the UV lamp as well. So like I was saying, if you're going to buy anything from this particular company, do not buy the electric nail drill. It is too light. I'm going to be checking anyway to see if it works properly. So these are all the things I got from the Aliexpress, and I got everything from the same seller because I always like buying my things from the same seller so they can ship it together. So these and the UV lamp are the things I got from Aliexpress. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So I'm going to be showing you how effective this nail drill bit I got is. I use this nail drill bit alone without using the regular hand file, and I'm going to be showing you the outcome of this filing.
It's so smooth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also subscribe if you haven't. See you next time. Bye!